Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create the most beautiful gold smoky eye using a shadow stick that you can wear to any party, and it's so easy to create this. So without further ado, let's begin. I'm going to be starting with the P. Louise base. This is in the shade Rumor 2, which was the universal shade that they initially released. Of course, you can also use a concealer to prime your lids. Nice thing about the P. Louise base is you don't have to set it with powder. It doesn't crease. And I like that little bit of tackiness, especially when I'm using a shadow stick. And the shadow stick that I'll be using today is from Pixie. This is called One and Done. It's kind of like a bronzy gold shade, very pretty. I'm going to be applying it all over my lid as well as in my lower lash line. This is almost the color of my skin, but with a little bit of shine. And sometimes I just wear this, put on some mascara, and I'm done. It looks absolutely stunning. But today we'll go that extra mile. And I'm using a blending brush to blend out the edges so we don't see any sharpness around the edges. Next, using the Jordana Easy Liner in black. Basically, this is just a black eye pencil. You can use any one that you have. I'm going to tight line as well as use it in my lash line. And just go ahead and apply it like the way you want. It doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be smudging this anyway. Using a small flat shader brush from Coastal Scents, I'm going to smudge my top as well as lower lash line. You can also use a smudging brush. You can use any flat shader brush. You can use a definer brush, or you can just smudge with your finger. Right on top of the gold shadow stick that I applied on my lid as well as lower lash line, I'm going to be using a Super Shock shadow from Colourpop in Golden Hour. I'm using a flat shader brush to apply it, and as you can see, those small specks of glitter dust look absolutely stunning. You can also use your finger to apply it. If you've already used the Colourpop Super Shock shadows, you probably already know, but if you haven't used it, the texture is so unique. It's neither a cream nor is it a powder. It's somewhere in between, and it's very easy to apply whether with your finger or with a brush. From the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, I'm taking this transition shade. With a blending brush, I'm going to blend it out at the crease. So that'll help to transition the gold shade and melt it into my skin tone. I'm also going to be using some of that eyeshadow to soften the lash line and also use it in the outer corner, and I'm just using the same blending brush. And you can see how smoky the lash line looks now and how beautifully it flows into the gold eyeshadow. Using this ivory shimmer, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. It's time to finish up, so I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a good coat of mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the highly rated mascara by Milani Cosmetics. I'm not going to be using false lashes today because I wanted to keep this look as easy as possible and as beginner friendly as possible, but you're welcome to use false lashes if you like. And to be very real, sometimes even I don't use false lashes. Even when I attend parties, I just finish up with mascara. And here's the completed eye look. Super easy, soft, sultry, and so pretty to wear to any party. I'm going to pair this with the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in Who Run This. Nice thing about gold eyeshadows is you can pair it with anything from the very vampy colors to reds to nudes, and it still looks classy. And here is the completed look. I hope that was easy enough. Let me know if you want to watch more videos like these by commenting below. And if you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're new here. I post several videos a week. For your convenience, I've listed everything that I've used in this tutorial in the description box right below this video. And you'll also find my social media links if you plan to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.